Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy an ETF on Robinhood. First, open the Robinhood app and log into your account. Next, use the search bar to find the specific ETF you're interested in. Once you've found it, review its details and performance. Finally, you'll enter the amount or number of shares you wish to purchase. Finding the right ETF on Robinhood is straightforward. You can use the search bar to type in a specific ticker symbol or browse popular ETF lists. Once you select an ETF, you'll see its current price, historical performance, and other important details. Take time to review information like the expense ratio and what the fund holds to make an informed decision. When you're ready to buy, tap Trade and then Buy on the ETFs page. Robinhood allows you to place either a market order, which executes at the next available price, or a limit order, which lets you set a specific price. You can buy a specific dollar amount, even fractional shares, or a set number of shares. Always review your order before swiping up to submit. After submitting your order, you'll receive a confirmation that your ETF purchase is complete. Your newly acquired ETF shares will then appear in your Robinhood portfolio. It's a good practice to regularly monitor your investment's performance directly within the app. You might also consider setting up price alerts to stay informed about any significant changes in the ETF's value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.